What's up YouTube? Kellen here with Dreamedia Home Theater. Some of the questions that we get revolving around LED walls is speaker placement. Obviously you cannot do speakers behind the screen. So what are some options that we can do further? One thing that we can do, something that we're showing here, is stereo, right? We don't have a dedicated center channel, but we have some phantom stereo imaging going on that covers the majority of the front stage, the left and the right, your typical stereo setup. But more of our theater-oriented room, we're gonna want that center channel for dialogue and clarity. So one thing that we can do is there's different speakers that are out there in the realm with different manufacturers. The ones that we have available to us today is going to be basically just running a dual center channel. So we'd have a center channel above and below the screen. So it's the same concept that we're doing with stereo imaging from the left and right, but we're kind of flipping it on its axis to create a center channel that phantom stereo centers from the center of the image. There's also another way of doing it with Dreamedia systems where they have a reflective audio system where actually the left, right, and center channels are up towards the ceiling. And you do need ample space for that, so we'll definitely work with you to find the best solutions for that. But their theory is you can have the left, right, and center channels above the screen. They go and reflect off of the screen. So now you are getting that left, right, and center soundstage coming from the screen. One thing that you can do further, icing on top, is something like a Trinnov processor. Trinnov has their 3D remapping software that enhances the sound further and also helps bring the center channel to make it sound like it's coming from a place where it needs to be. So even in my own home theater now, I have just one center channel below a 16:9 screen, and it does a pretty convincing job of raising that audio higher in relation to where the speaker actually is. So you do get that perception of the sound is coming higher than where the speaker is actually placed. But if you guys have more questions in regards to audio, video, where you should put speakers, how to design your media wall or LED wall, if this is something that you guys would be interested in having in your own home, feel free to reach out at dreamemediaav.com. We have our Dreamedia Plus service where you will work with me directly and we will figure out the best solution and consult with you on the best way to go for your Dreamedia Plus project. That's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Again, this is Kellen at Dreamedia Home Theater. We'll catch you in the next one.